Hey mama, if you're looking to change up your breakfast and try something simple, delicious, and takes about 5 minutes to make without the dreaded eggy smell that we all hate whilst pregnant, this protein and choline packed eggy salad is gonna be your favorite pretty soon. With just one try, you're gonna love it, trust me. After removing the shell of your hard-boiled egg, go ahead and grate the egg into a bowl. Now chop your red pepper, some onions, and some parsley. Add everything in and add a little bit of anise seed and some mayonnaise. Mix everything together and you are good to go. As easy as that. Eat it as is or add it to a pita bread or any bread of your choice. I hope this is helpful. Assalamu alaikum.
That is all that I have for you. Inshallah, I hope you're gonna give it a try and make it. If you like it, please let me know in the comment section below how you like it and share it with other mama friends in your life who will find this useful. If you have not subscribed yet, please don't forget, hit the subscribe button and join the family. We are always happy to have you here. So until I see you next time, take care of yourself and be in the best of health and iman. Assalamu alaikum.